Jai Hind students, my name is Shring Jaiswal and I am from Trishakti Defence Classes Prayagraj. Trishakti Defence Classes is one of the leading institutes for preparation of defence examinations in Allahabad. Today we have a Trishaktian here whose name is Rishabh Yadav and he is preparing for Air Force Y Group examination from Trishakti Defence Classes, and let's talk to him. First, please introduce yourself.
Good morning to you all. This is Rishabh Yadav. I am from Devariya, a small district in Uttar Pradesh, and I have done my schooling from Sanjeev School, Belthara Balia, and at present I am preparing for Indian Air Force, especially for Y Group in TDC. Thank you.
So, Rishabh, please tell me that what motivated you, what inspired you to prepare for the defense examinations?
Ma'am, basically you know that I am from rural areas and there is a huge craze of defense services, and in my family also my cousins are in defense sector, so they really inspired me. That's why I am here to move toward the defense services.
Okay, so Rishabh, can you tell me that how long have you been attending this Trishakti defense classes, and what is the level of your preparation? How do you feel about the preparation that's going on with this institute?
I've joined a 6-month course of Indian Air Force for Y Group, and after 3 months pass away, I can say that I have a good command on each and every subject, especially in English, because English is a very important subject for Y Group, especially in GD also held in English language. That's why I can say that I have a good command on each and every subject.
So, Rishabh, can you please explain in detail about the syllabus of Air Force Y Group exam, and do you think you can complete your course with Trishakti?
Ma'am, actually if you talk about the syllabus and the selection process of Air Force, it contains 2 phases. In phase 1, there is written exam which contain English, maths and Raga means general and awareness test. And if you clear that exam, you will be called for the second phase where GD, SRT and PFT medical checkup will be there. And the flow in which we are preparing for that test, for that examination. I am sure that I will complete my course within time and I will definitely get selected.
So Rishabh, since you have been attending Trishakti defense classes for the last 3 months, what can you tell about your clarity in concepts in reasoning and other subjects? Are they clear to you? And if there are any doubts, how does Trishakti help you with them?
First of all, I would like to say that there is a rare case of confusion because the way of explanation is too good. But if you feel confused in your concept, then you can go to the doubt counter and you can clear your doubt there.
Okay, so as we all know that there is a GD exam in defense exams, and it is a very important exam to be qualified. And since India has many students who still study in Hindi medium and they have a lot of problem in speaking English, and also in communication problems they have, and they also have a lot of hesitation in speaking on stage. So Rishabh, can you tell us how Trishakti is helping you in overcoming these problems?
As I mentioned earlier that there is second phase where GD will be held, and basically GD held in English language, and this is the major problem of a student that they can't speak English fluently. That's why in TDC we are getting our spoken classes which is free of cost, which actually help in our English communication skill, because if your communication skill is good, you can crack your GD easily.
So one more very important aspect of this exam is physical fitness test, PFT, which is considered very tough by most of the students, because most of the students today basically focus on studies and not on their physical activities. It is the scenario of being education and whatever it is, but they are not focusing on their physical activities in our daily life. So they get scared when they think about running to some kilometers or jumping or crossing the obstacles. So can you tell us, Rishabh, that how Trishakti is helping you in overcoming this difficulty of crossing the exam?
Obviously, ma'am, if you are preparing for the defense services, you have to be rigid, you have to be rough and tough, and you must prepare yourself for the situation which is coming, which have to become in your day-to-day life, because you don't know what you are going to face in your coming days. And that's why the TDC providing a facility of physical training. We trained on parade ground by our physical trainer Mr. Rajbabu Sarma, and we perform a different type of activity under his guidance, because the guidance of a teacher is most important for a student, for his parents, and for defense aspirants it's most important that he should be trained under the guidance of an excellent teacher.
Okay, so Rishabh, do you think with the way Trishakti is guiding you, providing you help and support, do you think that you can crack this exam?
No, first of all, I would like to say that I have heard by someone that 95% depends on the students hard working and the 5% depend on the teachers. But in my opinion, that 5% can affect your whole 95%. If you are only working hard and hard, but not in a proper way, then you can't get selection. But the guidance of the teacher is most important thing, which you have to be curious about that one. And here in TDC, I am getting that guidance, that a proper guidance toward the correct way, that I am damn sure that I can get selected.
Great. I hope today that not only the boys but also the girls get motivated by this talk with Rishabh, and they start preparing for the defense examinations, because now the girls can also prepare at this level. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you want to join our online courses, you can download the TDC Learning app from the Google Play Store. And if you want further information, you can visit our website www.trishakti defenseclasses.com.
Jai Hind.